Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel and a very good day to you all. Here we comes Yahoo Token. So right now our ICO Pre-Sale is live and today our goal is to basically lock some of the token in the DEX platform so that it will be available for the liquidity pool. Right now we're going to announce that our referral program is live right now. You cannot find the referral program in the website because the entire system is in Web3. So before accessing anything, you need to first log in through the Web3 platform. So when I talk about Web3, you just have to connect to the wallet first before getting access to the referral program. So once your wallet is connected, then you will be seeing this refer and earn button. So once you click on refer and earn, you will be given with a referral code, right? This referral code is nothing but your BB20 address from your MetaMask. You just have to copy it, share it with your friends and family, or maybe some other people. You can do it, and once some other people will come into this website with this referral link and buy YST token, you will be definitely given a 5% bonus for the referral. So that's the thing which we want to add in our system so that we can help our ecosystem. If you talk about what is Yahoo Token, I think for that we will create a separate video. But just to give you a context that we are building a search engine app which will be running in blockchain, and there will be AI integrated with it. So when I am using very high level terms like AI and blockchain, but as you can see right now, there is a AI battle going on for the search engines, but nobody is focusing on decentralization. Right now, I'm scared to give my data to the public or to the third-party providers like OpenAI, Gemini, etc. But in this platform, you are the owner of your data, but with that, you can also access to the AI and its benefits, right? So right now, to use AI, we need to give some data, and they are collecting the data because they are still on the Web 2.0 platform. So we just want to move ahead with the Web 3.0 and create a search engine where people can be the owner themselves. That's what Yahoo Token is for, and we want all of your support and help to take this idea and the implementation part to the next level. Once we have done that, definitely we will be reaching to the moon. Right now, today, our plan is to basically launch the ICO worldwide. Right now, the pre-sale is going on in our website, but the liquidity pool will definitely come soon by today or tomorrow. We are planning that out. So hopefully, we will get more of your support and help so that we can take this token from ground to the moon. That's it for today. See you soon. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.